Hello and welcome to Gardening and Allotment Tips. This is a brand new podcast. This is the first episode of hopefully many more to come. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Gardening with Ben. I've currently got another podcast which is obviously called Gardening with Ben, and that has got over 100 episodes on already, and it's doing so well I thought I'd start a new one up, as I've been running that a year now and a lot of people are enjoying it, so I thought I'd make another one where I'm sharing short podcast episodes of gardening tips and allotment tips, where you can learn from me and you can get new advice and you can implement it at your allotment. You can try it yourself, or you can tell me your tips and I will share them in a podcast. If you want to message me, find me on Instagram, Gardening with Ben, send me a message and I'll record a little episode on it, as these are going to be nice and short and sweet, so make sure you click that subscribe button to stay up to date with these episodes, and you will also get notified when new episodes are uploaded. So today's episode is going to be about collecting leaves, as obviously winter is approaching us. We're in autumn at the moment in the UK. If you're listening elsewhere, obviously it's a different season, but the information you receive, you can save it and you can use it when it's ready for you. But obviously all the leaves are shedding their leaves right now. We've had a lot of snow here where I am based in Sheffield, but there are loads of leaves all over the ground. So when the snow melts, what you need to do is you need to save them leaves. And why, may you ask? If you've got an allotment or garden, you need to save them leaves because they are gold. The people call them golden because they are save them so much money, because you can turn them leaves into compost and you can use them on your allotment and your garden, and you can add them nutrients back into the garden itself. All you need to do, collect them all up, get as many as you can, fill a compost heap, and they will rot down pretty fast. To be honest with you, they will soon disintegrate. You could be using it within the next year. And if you've not got enough room in your compost bin, go out and get some pallets. You can get them often free in places. Go around warehouses, industrial sites, have a drive around, have a look on Facebook Marketplace, and you will find people are giving away pallets because they don't want them, and they usually have to pay to get rid of them themselves. So you can make yourself some compost bins. You've always got room on your allotment for more compost bins, and what people tend to usually do is have about 3 or 4 compost bins on the go. They fill one up and then they move on to the next one while that one is rotting down and preparing for the next year ahead. So go out, collect them leaves, fill them compost bins up, and you can save yourself so much money, because compost is getting more expensive. I've certainly noticed that over the last year. From what I was paying like £7 a bag, it's now £10 a bag. And when you realise how much compost you use on the plot, whether you're using it for seed trays, whether you're using it for your tomato plants in tubs, whether you're using it for plants itself, it soon adds up. So if you can make your own compost from the free leaves what are falling from the tree, you will save yourself a lot of money. And you can get so many leaves. There's just leaves everywhere. People may think you're mad clearing all the leaves up and bagging them all up to take away to the allotment, but honestly, trust me, you won't be mad if you're saving yourself money. So that has been our short little episode today, talking about composting leaves. Make sure you do click that subscribe button, because these are going to be regular podcasts, just sharing tips, hopefully on a daily basis, but we'll see how we're stuck for time. But yeah, these are going to be short and sweet little episodes, so click that subscribe button and you can listen on the way to work, while you're walking the dog, or while you're on the allotment or in the kitchen garden yourself. Until next time, remember, keep smiling, keep gardening, and keep listening to Gardening with Ben.